Sabi kasi ni John Maxwell, leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. So if you can influence people, you can lead people. In short, kapag ka ang if the only reason people follow you is because of your position title, you're not leading. Kasi nanghihiram ka ng kapangyarihan sa iyong position title, which is not really necessarily bad in the short term, but in the long term, it's bad. No? Masama yun eh. Yung kaya ka lang sinusunod dahil sa position title mo. Oo. Pagka may sakit ka, yung halimbawa naubo ka, sana mag-leave bukas. No? Tapos pag bumalik ka, ano ba yan? Gumaling agad. Di ba? And lastly, use effective techniques for keeping employees engaged. And yung napakahalagang dapat magawa natin. How do we engage? How do we retain and engage employees? Kasi madaling sabihin niya, kung ayaw niya, mag-resign siya. Palit ng tao. Marami naman diyang jobless. Bakit? Wala bang skill yung kailangan mo? Sa Pilipinas, matindi yung mismatch between what's needed by the industry and what's available on the market. So kung meron ka ng tinuruan na tao at naging productive na, and you will lose that person, it's not easy to replace that. Di ba? Tapos pakikinabangan ng ibang kumpanya. Di ba? So how do you retain and engage people? Those are the things that we will try to cover with the amount of time that we have left for today.